Hello, good afternoon, friends. See, I am Ethira speaking from New Tech Media. See, this lockdown at what cost? For about 60 or more days, the lockdown is going on, but the virus spike also going uh, beyond the control. See, the so many uh, workers and so many daily wage workers and auto rickshawalas and everybody. Most of the people are suffering from the lockout. See, there is a limit, but there is no limit for this. The lockdown at what cost they are doing, I don't know. See, everybody knows that the auto rickshaws is not paying for the past 2 months, and the migrant workers, lakhs and lakhs of migrant workers are stranded in the streets, and just before 10 days they are arranging trains and other things. That also so that is in a sufficient manner. Still there are a lot of workers stranded on streets. See, nobody cares except some social workers and in some governments they are doing. But how can you feed for lakhs and lakhs of people? Let them go to their home and be calm and be safe. That is there. Even in people who are that is staying in home for their safety from coronavirus, they are also in a very that is called in wellness of mind. Yesterday, I read the newspaper. The psychiatrist said so many things. The depression itself will cause to create disimmunity in your body, and you cannot sleep well, and other things. This is the one point. Those who are staying in safe in the houses with hunger. See, so without money, how can you live? If you have money, you are not having any essential items in the markets. See, how can we prolong the time like this? See, so many people, so many auto rickshawalas in our area. I am in Kodambakam. In our area, they are suffering a lot and coming to me and asking for help. I can prepare to help, but how much people I can do? I can do to some extent to myself. I am helping. See, these things, I think they concern people to take appropriate attention and relieving from the suffering. Without doing that, they go on discussing about coronavirus only. If the hunger is very bad, it is very bad than coronavirus. The people are ready to meet that if the lockdown that is cancelled. See, I will personally, that is affecting because of the virus. I am staying in home for the past 62 days without going out anywhere to save my personal doings. So, how can they stay in home without wages or without earnings or anything, nothing else? Not only me, see, we are all a little bit safer, but those who are getting daily wages, like auto rickshawalas and construction workers and everybody, and housemaids, servant housemaids, everybody staying in their home with hunger. See, it's very heartening to note some videos coming from some areas. It's very heartening, disheartening. It's very disheartening. So I hope at least the government should cut down the, that is end the lockout, because you sealed as a hot zone in Chennai. You sealed all the area that is borders of the Chennai, and nobody enters in and nobody is coming out. How can the essential come here? No stock in the even single that is supermarket or in small shops. So how can they do? How can they go on going on the life? For the last 2 months, the suffering are more. Other than that, the hot sun is now hurting us enough with heavy that is hot. See, nobody can afford all these tablets as a human being. They are prepared to die with corona, but not with hunger. So I beg and I also pray the concerned authorities to do something immediately for the sufferers. That is in your mind. I hope that you will do it and relieve from the lockout immediately. Let the coronavirus remain for the in future also, for the last at least 1 year, while the vaccine coming ready. That will take another 1 year. So as per the expert says, so please rethink the lockdown and what I say is please open the borders. That will help us more. That is to wipe out the corona, because you please we are taking we are taking care of the awareness of the people. Whoever comes to me and I used to give. I put already some videos also, but nobody cares. No people cares. That's also a people's mistake. I agree, but innocent people, what they will do. Even the educated do not have the knowledge of social distancing and the other safety measures. First point, the mask costs about minimum 15 rupees. So you have to remove the mask at least for 6 hours after that. But heavy cost masks are about 400, 300, where they will go and buy. So many things are there. To study all these people's, there is the people are facing things. Then you start your that is consultation, other things with the experts, expert doctors, experts scientists, and experts economists. I am very sorry to post the video because of some people in our area, poor people in an area asked me to do something. This is the thing I can do, that's all. If you see this video, please share it to others also, and they will take their own course of duty. That's all. Thank you very much. And this video's content is prepared by a 7-member that is some of Kodambakkam Makkalala Mandam. So please try to arrange something to to give relief to the people. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am New Tech Media, J. Itraj. Thank you very much.